Hi guys, welcome to another video of my channel, Sonia Edith, Edith. Oh my god, now I don't know how to speak in Spanish. Okay, no. Today I'm gonna make a haul of some things that I bought on my birthday. That it was at October 17th. This is also going to be kind of like an unboxing. I'm very excited for this, guys. I mean, this is my first microphone of this type. I mean this type of microphone, because I already have. It's like especially to sing. I sang when I was in high school. I want to sing some covers. I already have seen the content of this package, but I'm gonna show. I mean, it's not the first time I'm gonna see it. It is like this. Here is what we see. Oh my god. The manual. This box. Well, it's not a box. Well, I don't know. I don't know how to call it. The estuche. Okay, so. And here we got microphone. It comes with this thing. This is the first time I have my own microphone of this type. It's not the first time I'm gonna use this type of microphone. I already have used this type of microphone when I was at university, and also when I did I don't know how to call it exactly in English, but kind of like a workshop about voice acting. This is the microphone. Este es el micrófono. I can do some weird voices. Yes, I can do really weird voices. I think I will do a video with showing the weird voices I can do for you guys in another video. I also got an interface. I don't know how to say it in English. Well, I guess it has the name right here. It's in English. Well, interface. It says interface. It has a cable here. It has some papers also, but this is the main thing. Like the interface. This is a pop screen for broadcasting and recording microphone. Oh, un anti-pop. Okay, this is a cable for to connect my microphone in the interface. Headphones. Professional quality headphones. Well, this is, I think it's French. I don't know how to read French. This is the first time I'm opening this. It wasn't open. Has some paper, like the manual, I guess. Yes. The adapter, I don't know how to say it. And of course, to be a professional headphone, it has to have a frequency range of 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. But you can also buy a semi-professional headphone that is near to 20 hertz and 20 kilohertz. Why it has to be 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz? Because our ear, human ear, hears that frequencies, all that frequencies. So it has all the frequencies that the human being can listen to. And semi-professional headphones are near that number. My pedestal for my microphone. So this is what I got for my birthday. I think you guys, if you want to make covers, you can buy cardioid condenser. This type of microphone is that. It's a cardioid condenser, and this is how you can start to buy things to make your own studio if you want. Like me, I want my own studio, so I already started to buy things to accomplish that goal. I love to sing, and to be a singer is one of my dreams. With this is like a start, and I can have fun because I'm not a professional singer yet. But I mean, just because I have this, it doesn't mean that I am now a professional singer, but it's gonna help me to practice and have fun singing. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Adiós!